Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from Shockproof. It is it says it's by Vizvera. It is a shockproof case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They make all sorts of cool cases. This one here is there's their information about it. This one here is for the S25 Ultra, and it is kind of, I guess, a bluish, dark blue kind of color. And this one here is for a friend. But you can see here, it's got a cool little cover here, so you can cover the camera. So if you're going to go somewhere, going on a ride or something like that, where you might drop it, or doing some heavy-duty construction, we do a lot of construction kind of work, you can kind of keep the camera covered when you don't need it. So if you drop it, it's going to be okay. And then in here, we have a little place here for our credit cards. You can fit a credit card in there, a couple of bucks if you need to. So nice to have. And the buttons are nice on there. It's kind of a TPU feel to it. And the inside kind of feels like it's soft, so it won't scratch up your phone too. So it's a nice case and totally going to be able to hold it well. It's got all the right holes in the right places for charging and headphones and whatnot. So I'm going to say this is a winner. So S25 Ultra, thumbs up.